So Huawei being banned from using US technologies is old news at this point, right? It's been going on for over a year now. However, this article that my friend sent over kind of surprised me, which was a few weeks ago. Popular smartphone analyst Ming-Chi Kuo said that Huawei might exit the smartphone game altogether if things continue to be as worse as they are. I mean, as of now, not only is the company not allowed to have any Google apps on their phones, but they are forbidden from doing any business with any company that has affiliations with the United States in any way. That's basically a death sentence for any smartphone manufacturer, and despite being one of the largest manufacturers of phones in the world, Huawei is still struggling with the smartphone sales. Now, I'm not saying that the claims that they are helping and aiding the Chinese government by allowing them to spy on their users is false or anything. I'm not supporting that. But ending Huawei and eliminating them from the smartphone game altogether might be a huge mistake for the consumers. Huawei has been the world leader in so many technologies. They were one of the first to introduce AI-based chipsets. They were the pioneer in neural-based processors on their phone with the Huawei Mate 9 back in 2016, I think. They revolutionized night photography and they brought a lot of contributions to the smartphone market, which other people are enjoying now. Now, while it's true that privacy is more important than anything, simply killing off a major player like that wouldn't be a good move, in my opinion. However, now more news is coming up that Huawei is not going to take this lying down. In fact, it looks like the company is going to ditch Android operating system altogether and completely switch over to their own custom Harmony OS. Now, this can potentially help the company in multiple ways. Not only will they be in complete control of their own software and hardware, they won't have to depend on Google anymore to implement core features in their operating system. Now, a couple of key things which they are going for in Harmony OS is that it's a distributed operating system, meaning that it can basically run on any platform. So this will potentially allow them to have a wider range of products running the same operating system, which can all communicate with one another. Also, Harmony OS can run any Android app, so you don't really have to give up your existing app ecosystem in case you are switching to Harmony OS with Huawei. Now, I know it's going to take a long time and a lot of effort if anyone wants to break into this classic Android versus iOS debate, but I think Huawei is planning to do more than that. I don't think they are just trying to resurrect their own smartphone series with the help of this new OS, but Huawei is reportedly going to make this OS available for other smartphones as well as an Android alternative. So if any other company is looking for an operating system and for some reason they are not okay with Android, you can ask Huawei for their OS. Although I'm not sure how they'll convince their customers that they won't misuse their new powers. If people were already paranoid of China spying on them despite having so many securities built into Android, having a custom OS running on these Chinese high-powered phones will make things absolutely more worse. Personally, I think privacy is more of our choice. As long as we can control the hardware in a way we want, we can ensure privacy by using some common sense. You can disable apps and services when you're not using them instead of relying on the OS to do that. And do some other simple things like disable GPS from being on all the time. By doing these simple stuff, you can greatly reduce the amount of tracking that your phone does on you. Of course, I'm not making excuses for Huawei here, but despite the market being so paranoid about their privacy, Huawei doesn't seem to care. They are staying strong and fighting on despite all these bans and suppression that's going on against them. I don't know, this kind of persistence is motivational or scary. Well, what do you think? Are you looking for more Huawei devices with Harmony OS coming in the future? Personally, till now I was okay with Huawei phones because they don't have Google services anyway, and I've appreciated them for not allowing these kind of bans to step in the way of their progress. They have made consistent improvements to their strong fields like camera and battery. Have you seen the new Huawei P40 Pro Plus? It's still the absolute king of low-light photography. And as much as I want to see more of Huawei and their amazing technology, I'm not so sure if I'm cool with them having their own custom software and essentially be able to do whatever they want with it. Anyway, we'll see how the next few months go. Are you rooting for Huawei as a genuine smartphone brand, or do you think there's a deeper scheme going on here? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.